task at hand today is this dishwasher. As you can see, top row is loaded up, but the bottom isn't. We're having an issue with the bottom rack. It's got a melted hole in it. And so I think it came with these metal parts that go on the bottom of these to protect it from the heating element. But they melted and fell off, I think. I don't know if they were glued on or melted on, I don't know how. But anyways, so I looked up this part number for this particular GE dishwasher, and I have a replacement part on order. The new one doesn't come with these metal washers, but they say or metal plates, but they say they don't need them anymore. So I don't know if they changed the plastic or something, but hopefully this shouldn't be an issue. See, it gets stuck, doesn't spin. So we'll take this part out and put the new one in and go from there. All right, part came in. Such a big box for a small part. Here it is, GE genuine part. So it doesn't have the heat metal protective things on it. So we'll see how this does. We'll put it in. So as you can see, this was the issue here. It's all melted and it was kind of catching and going real slow. So I'm hoping by swapping out to the new one that the jets will actually spin real fast and will actually really clean the dishes. So I should be able to just turn this off. New one on. There we go, locked in. Look how much smoother that spins. So now let's see what it does.